Thank you, sir. Thank you for uh, introducing me. And uh, guys, I hope that you all can hear me properly. But can someone confirm it?
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right, cool. So I am going to share my screen now. Yeah, right. So with that, we can start. Right. So, right. Can can you guys see my screen now?
Yeah, we can see that.
All right, cool. Then everything is okay. So today we are discussing about Beamer presentations. Oh, if you don't know by the name, so we are going to use LaTeX to make presentations. Uh, so then someone can ask me that why we use other resources to make presentations like PowerPoint and other. There are many online resources to make presentations. So why we have to use Beamer? Right? So the answer is uh, it looks the presentations made by Beamer uh, look formal. That is the first in my case. That's the first thing, and also we can include like you can make things look nicer, and it is very easy to use. We don't have to drag them out, or we don't have to like uh, include those things dragging and including, but everything can be done by using simple chords. So that's what I like about Beamer presentations. uh, right, cool. We have to start. You will see how easy it is. I'm going to start a new project. Well, blank project. Well, I'm gonna name it. Right. I'm going to name it the workshop. The workshop presentation. Right. Great. Hmm. But usually you will be able to. Uh, right. Usually you see the document class. Well, okay. Cool. Right. Here. Here. The document class has been mentioned as article, but I'm just going to change it to. Here is the first thing that we have to do. We have to change it to Beamer. Right. Then you will see. Well, I'm compiling it, and I'm going to on uh, the auto compile. It's very easy. So then I don't have to compile it. It get compiled automatically. So just here I'm going to be teaching the basic things related to Beamer presentations. Uh, that matter. Sorry, this message. Sorry. Right. For that matter, the basic things that how we can get a slide and how we can make a title side and those things. The very basic things will be discussed in this session, and after that, I will mention some links and resources to go through online and find out many things that you can download and learn. And also, there are some uh, exercise have been arranged to give you. And once the sessions are finished, I will tell Supun to upload these things, right? So I would like to collaborate with you guys and ask you questions and give you chances to make we can get it started. And I am just going to list all those things to start from the beginning, right? Um, so we have to begin the document, right? Begin the document, right? So I'm going to begin the document. I need your support to continue these sessions, right? I think you guys can see me and hear me properly. So begin document. Right. Don't worry about the red lines of the right side. Still, we didn't start yet. Right. So basically, uh, we are talking about slides, right? Slide in here. We are naming this frames. Right? Let There are two ways of getting frames, and first one is we can get frame backslash frame, and frame mean a slide. It should have a title, right? But don't worry if you don't have a title for the slide. We can leave it empty with no slide, uh, with no title, right? Then uh, frame title and curly brackets. If you need a title, you can put it there. I'm gonna get it the first slide. I will give you a 1 minute after making it to try it your own, right? Okay, the first slide. Okay, then this is the title, and you can type things, but I don't like type things, so I'm gonna bring it from Google. Uh, let's start with number theory. I need something. I don't. Yeah, it takes some time to type. Well, okay, just these things would be fine. Take copy and here. Okay, it 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 is compiling automatically. Oh, sorry, why? What happened? All right, I didn't. Well, something happened. What happened? Okay, no worries. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, this is a slide, and um, all right. So here we have to put it here, right? Because there are the first curly bracket. It is related to this frame title. This is the frame title. This is in the frame, right? Good. Then I think it would be fine. Okay. All right. Cool. We have it. Right. This is the first way of making a slide. Okay. I will give a very little time. Just try it up once. And okay, this is the first way of getting a slide. Just try it up, you guys. If you got any questions, anything, uh, turn off your mic and ask any questions. I just tried up. Uh, Begin document and then document. Right. Well, what was the question that you got? All right. Oh, sorry, guys. Right, cool. All right, cool. No worries. No worries, Malik. Um, hmm. Okay. This is the first way of getting a frame. I'm going to erase it. From now on, I'm going to use the easiest method to get a frame. Begin frame. Right. Begin frame and end frame. This is the easiest way I know. Well, I take it as the first slide. Right, this is the first slide. If you want to leave it without, okay, the same thing has been copied. Um, and all right, then right, first slide. If you don't need any kind of uh, topic to the slide, just leave it. Okay, all the details will be remain. Cool. Right, frame. Right. So, flower presentation. Uh, we need to have a, well, I think you can see it clearly. You need to have a uh, title slide. That is the first. Right. To get the title page, we need to have title, right? What's the title of this? Okay, sorry. Backslash title and what happened? Title. What is the title that we are going to include here? Yeah, we can get this is like Beamer workshop, right? Beamer workshop is the title, and we need authors and author, right? Shashika is the author, and next we didn't start a title slide here, right? I'm just inputting data, yeah? And need to have a institute, institute. I take sorry, institute. Institute. Well, I okay, Kansas University. Right, institute. Okay, then we have to have a date. Most of the times we are entering it. Right, if you need to use today, then use backslash and today. Right, cool. Yeah. Then all the details are included, but still we don't have a title slide. For that matter, we need to start a new slide. Yeah, we can name it frame. Ah, put frame. Begin frame. Uh, begin frame, and it is very easily. Let make title. Right. We can compile it. Something says something wrong. What happened with the workshop? What's the problem with that? Okay. Mm. Oh, the title. Make title. What is the problem with that? Begin frame. We don't need a title. Make title. Okay. Right. All right. Sorry. It should be in the beginning of the document, right? Sorry. So because here we did not start the document, right? So it should be inside the begin document, right? Okay, right now it would be fine. Mm. All right, we got it. So we don't need any kind of title there because it is the title page. We have it, right? Oh, this is the basic type of a title page of a presentation. But most of the times, you guys are doing research with the supervisor or any other partner. For that matter, you will need to enter another one. But title is not changed, and the next one is I'm going to include another one. Okay, let's start. Uh, Ashwini Amarasi, that is my research partner. All right. Okay. But just imagine if we are from the same university, it would be fine right now. But we are from two different universities. We can enter like this University of. Okay, he's from Florida. Right. Then there are two universities, but we have to link them. For that matter, I'm gonna take like inst. That means Institute One and Institute Two. Sorry, inst one. I'm from Inst One, and he is from Institute 2, right? Okay, then you can see here one and two. Then I'm going to this, and if you need one in upper front, you can get it to the front like this. Oh, sorry. And here, then right. Okay, then you can see it's in upper front. Then Institute. I'm from Institute One. Shashika from Institute One. One is there, and Dr. Ashwini is from Institute Two. Okay, then right, cool. If you need in upper front, no worries. Front, that's cool. Then you see, right? Well, this look, this looks nice, but this is not looks professional. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna give you a little bit time to type it up from your own, and if you got any questions, just pass it to me. Right. The little time. Right. So most of the times you guys are going to have a partner with you for research. Then when you are presenting your research, you have to include your partner. I think that would be uh, that concept would be helping you out when you are making your presentation. Right. Cool. Well, just it's very you don't have to worry about those things. Just come on and put your partner there. The thing you have to remember is inst. You're going to use slash inst command to put one or two. If you have like three, then and put like Saman Kumara. Yes, you got fine, right? So then Saman Kumara from Institute Star 3. Right, cool. You have it. Yeah. So you can do it any number of researchers, and then two, right, to the if just imagine someone Kumar is from Institute 2, then you can put it on 2. Put it all right. I think you guys are fine with title page. Anyway, right. So, but it looks professional but not nice. Probably you guys don't like to have a presentation like this. For that matter, we have things called themes. Okay? I'm still talking about main ideas and basic things. So, but did you guys have any questions? You guys feel free to unmute your mic and answer any questions. Uh, Oh no, still you don't have any questions, right? I think you guys have understood things, right? Well, use themes, but use theme, right? There are many number of themes. Uh, well, many of them uh, are like uncommon, but we use theme called Madrid. You can search those things on Google and find them out. That's very easy. Madrid. Yeah. The theme I'm going to use is Madrid. It worked out. Right. Right. Then it looks nice, and here we have right page numberings there, and the date is represented, and Shashika, Ashwini, Amarasingh, and Suman Kumar, the people workshop, right? The things are there. Right? While we have a frame, we can say things, but well, just imagine, just try another one. If you type on Google uh, to search out your themes, you will find them out. Uh, well, I take it Dresden, Dresden, then correct. Yeah, I think I'm correct. You can compile it. All right, Dresden. This is the another. This is an other theme. Right here we have double uh, rows. The first row represent names and the universities, I mean institutes, and the next one is the title of the presentation. Right. Well, I would love to go with Madrid. Then I use Madrid. Madrid. Cool. Madrid. You're right. Okay. Then, well, if you don't like the color, we have an option. If you don't like blue, no worries. You got colors, and we have use color. So here you have to remember you have to use COLOR color. Yeah. COLOUR is not accepted here. I tried once, it didn't work out. Hmm, well, here you cannot put like red, blue, or like something. We have several names for that. I'm gonna use beaver. Hmm. Those are theme colors. Theme colors are different from main colors, I guess. So okay, we have an use color theme. I'm sorry, I missed E here. Right, okay. Right now. Okay. Right. It became red, right? So change the color, and it's just if you need those specific words, write them down. No worries. And just right. Beaver, Beaver, and right. It is red, and someone needs yellow. Then crane is there. Okay, great. Then I personally don't like crane, so uh, you can find out those things on Google. LaTeX theme colors, and the words will uh, appear on your screen, and you can find them out. You can uh, type them in your LaTeX document code section, and no worries. I would love to go with Beaver. Right. Okay, then we have colors. Oh, guys, don't worry about background sounds, right? I'm home. Okay. Then just you have a little time to try it up for your own. Right. So if you need to take, okay, just try it once, and if you get any kind of problem, just let me know. I would like to give you like 1 minute maybe. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Do we have any questions? Not yet. Yo, are you guys understanding these things? Are you guys comfortable with the style I'm conducting the workshop? But okay, no questions. Right. Uh, all right. Right. I will show you another thing. I'm going to start another slide. Begin. Sorry, begin. Frame. I'm sorry. Begin. Begin frame. And then right. Begin frame. We got another slide here. Uh, I'm just put something there. All right. This thing should be fine. Another slide. Then I'm going to start the slide. Begin frame. If you need frame titles, we can put them there. Still, we are just talking about basic things, how we can make a slide and title slide and those kind of things, right? Page numbering and those things. Okay, cool. I'm going to enter like uh, the same thing there. We can. Okay, we have numberings. We have a numbering there. 1 out of 4 and 2 out of 4, 3 out of 4, and 4 out of 4. There are 4 slides, but I have seen some students or even the researchers don't like to leave the page number on the title slide. For that matter, mm, use this one, right? No frame, no frame numbering, right? Oh, sorry, no frame numbering. I think I have done no. Okay, cool, right? I'm done. No frame numbering, right? But well, then it says nine. Well, in my case, I don't like to have it like this. If you guys are on the same opinion as I do, you can use command plain and put a comma there. Then, okay, we are done. And then we don't have anything on the title side except the necessary data. So then, okay, slide numbering will start from the second one, right? Okay, cool. Uh, it's well, you have to remember this. Plain means we we can like get unnecessary things off from the slide. Oh, those are not, well, those are not unnecessary things, but since the main slide, this is the title slide, has the things that we need, and we don't need the same things in a bar, so we don't need it. Okay, cool. Just try it up. Okay, still we don't have any title for on any slide. Just here we have three slides, including the title. We have four slides. Right. Okay, those are the very basic things we can discuss about making presentations. Right. Okay. Right. Um. Well, then I'm going to name my slides. Okay. This is the first frame. Oh, sorry. This is the first one. We need to have a title. I'm gonna have the title like there. Okay. What? The first. Sorry. First slide there. This is the first slide. Okay. Right. It is appeared in the slide. Okay, for that matter, we got the second slide. I'm gonna name it the second slide. Okay, the third slide. 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 Cool. Right. We missed something from a basic presentation. Can someone remember? Can someone mention it? Well, we have done the title slide. We have a title slide, and we have started other slides. Well, we missed something. Can someone mention it? Right. We missed something. Guys, are you listening to me? Oh, can we missed a slide? Can someone mention it? Just cool. Well, no one is answering. Yeah, right. But I think no one realize the thing that we have missed. We missed uh, a slide called table of content. Nice. Right. Cool. The table of content. All right. So, okay, guys. Guys, are you listening to me? I just can someone confirm? Because I say 11 participants, I cannot hear any sound or I'm not getting any message. Could someone confirm? Are you guys there? You guys are there? And yes.
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right. Thank you very much. All right. Cool. So we have to have a table of content. Um, for that matter, we need another slide and begin frame. Begin frame, and we have a frame here. Right. Right. For that matter, we need a title. I'm gonna name it like the table of contents. Right. Okay. Just it should come after. Right. Cool. Table of content. Called drag. So then we don't have to enter those things one by one. We can arrange our presentation to get it automatically. That in the order what we are entering. Right. I will show you. Right. All right. I'm gonna keep it tab space there. Right. Cool. Oh, we have automatically do that. This is named table of contents. I think I right. Okay, we have it. Then okay, this is the first slide, right? Things related to first slide. Just imagine we are discussing about the history of number theory from discussing. That is a section of your presentation. Then you have to use section, right? First section in first slide. We are discussing first section. For that, I'm going to include the okay. If we are discussing the history of number theory, I'm going to use a recount of past events. Recount of past events. Cool. Okay. So for the first slide, we are discussing about recount of past events. Okay. Well, we didn't include it here for the table of contents slide, but it's been appeared automatically in that slide. Okay, this section. Okay, for first slide, we are discussing. Let's try it up. This one in the for the next slide, we're discussing about section. mm, Section. Sorry, section. This section is about usage of uses of just my number theory. Okay, okay. But you see, well, the title of the slide will be remaining as we have entered it, but the table of content showed us for the second section we are going to be discussing about uses of number theory, right? So it doesn't matter to change this one like this if you need it, because the sections and the slide names would be different sometimes. Then for that matter, this is okay. For that, we can leave the same name for both slides. That will also be fine. Right. Okay. Uh, we have it. Get it. No, everything. For the third slide, use history usage and section. And it had named um, what have done. Just okay. You will see it, right? It has been appeared on table of content automatically, and but not. in the slide name, right? So that is something special and it is useful, right? Sorry, right? Okay, and there is something new for that matter. That I'm gonna break it to parts and just imagine here. Well, these are sections. If you need subsections, that option are also there. So the a recount of this is the section recount of past events for that matter. Um, well, take the first, right? This one is this subsection. Okay, subsection that is just imagine Babylonian, Babylonian, correct. Babylonian era subsection there, right? Babylonian era, and just imagine from here we have the second subsection, second subsection. Just imagine Indian era. Hmm, right. Then we have Indian era and Babylonian era, right? Well, but this specialty is we don't see it on our side, right? But we can say that for the recount of past events, I would be discussing Babylonian era and Indian era. You can just discuss it without mentioning on your slide. Okay? Those kind of specialties are there, but uh, not like in PowerPoint, right? So that's why I would really love to make presentations with them. Cool. Mm. Those are very basic. Not actually basic. Using those things, you can make a presentation to be introduced. Right. Let's go for it. Right. Just I will give you a minute to try it up and the things you need. Okay. Well, you can try it up your own, and also the recording will be published soon. That would also be fine for you guys, I think. Right. Just just try it up and just go through it and try to remember things. No worries, you can easily do it. Because I just want to give you an idea, session, and you guys can go through online and find out new things and make your presentation perfect. Right? There are some things that I want to teach you. Right, I'm going to start it with a new slide and begin right frame and right, mm, right, how to use columns. This is what I'm going to be discussing about this section. Right. Uh, that slides section. section. It is well. I just give it lining up. All right. Maybe it. Right. Well, I think you guys are fine with the things what I have done. Do you have any questions until the last? Well, do you guys have any questions? I think you don't have any. Go for the next slide. Okay. How do you use column? Right. I'm going to use begin enumerate. Mm, That's right. Enumerate. Slide. What is for the next slide? Right. Okay. So next, I'm going to show you something. It is y equal x. Item. Y equal x cube. We have two items there. Right. Copy. We have many items there, right? Okay. No, right. That's well, no one likes to leave it like this. All right. For that, we have another package to use. This package is called package. This package multi-call. But using that package, uh, we are basically separate them to a couple of columns, right? You will see that. Right, then we have the enumerate. Right. A little bit before enumerate, begin. Multi. So for the package, S is not there. Right? That is, S is not there, but here we have S. Right. And multi-calls. Right. Still, it's not working out, I think, because all right, because I did not give how many columns. Just two. All right, we got two columns there, right? See it separately. There are two columns, right? If you have many things to say in the one side, very, very little small things, you can use this side of columns. Right? Okay. Right. If you do like three columns, you have three there. Three columns. It doesn't matter to have four. It will give you whatever you need. Right. Well, if you don't like to keep numbers there, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, you have called, you have something called itemizing. Itemizing means begin, enumerate. I'm going to erase them. Itemize, itemize, right? for n itemize. We have n itemized there. Okay, what's wrong? Well, I think it. Sorry, it is not working out with. No, it is not working out with my typos. I will show you how to do it. Right, cool. We do have it here, and I'm going to copy the same thing. Start a new slide. Begin frame, the frame. Well, we can line enumerate and frame title. We don't have a frame title there. Okay. Right. I'm gonna cut it. Itemize. Oh, I had a mistake here. So the mistake is I didn't use E there. I had used A. Here. And what we have was entered. Slide. All right, we have bullets, right? So we also can make columns there. But the same thing can be done here if you don't need it. Right. Well, yeah. Mhm. There is another thing that I have to teach you. Thing is, I'm going to start with another slide. Okay, begin frame. Cool. We'll name like the main topics. The main topics. So here is about, this section is about this section is about using pause. How to use and well, I will tell you something like that's kind of important when you are making presentations and the visibility of topics. How to use how to use oh we have well how to use pause, right? Okay, I'm going to couple of topics and items. We don't need that much. Couple of number. Just and, begin enumerate. Well, I think that the first topic is just imagine you have a couple of topics. I think the first topic is like hmm, hiding problem or something like that. Right? Then the actions. I'm just putting some actions and um, the solutions to take. Solutions to take. Select. Select. Something like this. Like those are not related, but I just wanted to put some words together. We have four topics. Then when you're presenting it, if you are only talking about the first fact, you can say, I'm just talking about identifying the problem. Then all the things are on one slide, and you don't like to have it. Okay, for that matter, you can break them down, see one by one. Get the first one and backslash and pause, right? And again backslash and pause, and get the backslash and pause, right? Code. Okay, the first slide shows it's a 7 out of 7. Identify the problem, the action, and so it when it is coming out slide by slide, you will see all four facts are coming up one by one, then four, right? But just imagine the other things are not changed. So 7 out of 7, and 7 out of 7, 7 out of 7 is there, right? Well, then let's just talk about transparency, right? So uh, when you see the first, the first slide of 7, right? Number 7, you say identifying the problem. The next topic is the actions, and but what if you can feel your, if you can make your audience to feel the other topics are like this. So for that matter, we can use set beam cover. Set beam covered. And use transparent. Usually for the professional presentation, we use 50, 15. Don't use 50, 15. Right. I think we are cool. All right. Then you see, for the first slide, identify the problem. Well, the audience will the actions, the solutions to take, the selling like this. And if you don't, if you think this is not good enough, you can use like 19. Okay. All right. Then you can see it. Just imagine you can like use 56. All right. Then uh, you don't have to go for the slides. So then I use, I would prefer 18. Right. Then you have it. Right. Cool. Transparency is 18. Okay. Right. 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 then you know something about it. The next thing is how to include a picture. Well, if you need to break the list, well, you have options, but then with the time factor, we will discuss other things. Right. Then I'm going to be discussing about entering a figure and naming it. After that, enter a logo and how to enter bibliography things. Then we can end. Yes, sir. No worries, no worries. I think you learn. Begin. Right. Mm, um, how to yeah, how to enter a picture. All right. Mm, yeah, so if you need it like section, then you can take it. Picture. Mm, that is not very difficult, but I have my pictures there for the presentation. Okay, perfect. Seeing my screen. Yeah. So this is my folder. This is my folders. Then I have some pictures brought here for you. Right. Mm, all right. Good. I have shared my screen already. Anyway. Right. Well, I'm going to upload my pictures. Select from folder. Go to desktop and that's it. Go to desktop. I have it's Einstein. Have it and I'm going to upload other one. It is for logo. All right. I'm taking this is Peradeniya logo. All right. I uploaded it. Okay. Then how we can enter picture? Include include graphics. Include graphics and I would say height. Height equal I. It is like sorry, it's sorry. It's EIGHT height. We can take like 3 centimeters. Would be fine. In- Include include graphics. Okay, sorry, I didn't give it. Okay, include graphics and Einstein. Right. What is the problem? Include graphics. Mm, what is the problem with that? In include include graphics ph. What's wrong with that? I got it. Right. Well, I don't like to leave it here. I want to center it. So I am centering it. Centering. Right. Okay. I'm going to center. It's very easy to use centering. So that's why I told that I don't like to leave it 3 centimeter page. Then I'll make it 5 centimeter. And okay. It's bigger. It's supposed to be fine, and it is centered. Right. It's just a picture. And we got options. Right. Begin figure. Yeah, figure and by begin begin figure. Oh. It's not cool. Begin from data. Begin figure and end figure. Again, end figure. Backslash. Okay, fine. Right. Okay. After including the picture, we can have caption. Caption. I'm gonna the greatest scientist ever. All right, the figure that we have the figure. Scientist, scientist ever. Right. Okay. Uh, right. If you need to, don't worry. I got something here. Copy and oh, sorry. That is what I was practicing. Right. All right. Right. The things are included. If you think size is a matter, I'm going to take it. Fine. Right. Can do it easily. Right. So that's how we can enter a figure and center it or keep it where you want. Just imagine you need a logo, right? For a logo, we have an option. It is smart logo. For that matter, I'm gonna use option logo and let's include graphics. Include the graphics. Include graphics. But, for a logo, I can keep it high. So just to equal height. This should be there. I think it would be fine. 1.5 centimeters. Yeah. Peradeniya logo. Right. What happened? And need another query bucket. Okay. Okay, the logo has been appeared for each slide except this one because I made it plain. And well, the last section, how we can enter bibliography or references. That is not very hard, but for that moment, until this moment, do you guys have any questions? Well, I think you guys are understanding. I hope so. Begin frame. I need a frame. Frame title. I can say references. References. Spelling mistake. Okay. Just is not reference. Yes. Cool. Alright. For section, for the section for the table of content, and I have it. References. Okay. Right. I'm going to start with I'm entering references, right? Okay, then the slide name is there. It says begin begin sharing. Begin the bibliography. The bibliography, but we have enter how many bibliographies are there? 3 into bibliography. The bibliography. Okay. 3. Well, you will see automatically that is bib10. Right. I'm naming it like 1. I'm just naming it. Then just imagine so we have to let then author. Who is the author? I think the is the author. I'm just telling. Well, you have an option. You have to download the reference. You can download the bibliography file for a reference. I think which but you have came across with it because you have done how to write report section. I mean, if in case if you need to type it, then what's the paper name? Just imagine my paper is how to understand CRT. Yes, just imagine that. Well, just a conference, right? It's next this conference name Sri Lankan conference of mathematics. I hope in the future we will be able to do those kind of conferences. Sri Lankan conference just by 2021. Yeah, then that's how you can enter. Then you can make a presentation easily. Okay, guys. Then we discuss about how to make a title page and table of content and how to go with slide by slide and think how to uh, enter things into different columns and many things. How to use pose for different slides and how to enter the picture and all the things you need to make a presentation are discussed here. And I hope that you guys have learned something new and stay with us for next sections. And thank you very much.